Meerkats, an intriguing species found in the arid regions of southern Africa, have captivated scientific minds with their complex social structure and sophisticated behavioral patterns. In recent years, researchers have delved into understanding the intelligence and comprehension exhibited by these remarkable creatures. In this video, we will explore the cognitive abilities of meerkats, drawing upon studies conducted on their problem-solving skills, cooperation, communication, learning capacities, and ability to adapt to changing environments. Problem-solving skills. Evidence suggests that meerkats possess an impressive repertoire of problem-solving skills. Studies have demonstrated their ability to tackle complex problems, such as accessing food sources buried deep underground or solving puzzles to obtain rewards. Meerkats show remarkable resourcefulness and adaptability, employing varied strategies to overcome challenges faced in their daily lives. Cooperation and social intelligence. Meerkat societies are highly cooperative, and individual success is contingent upon group collaboration. Graduate-level research indicates that meerkats exhibit a unique form of social intelligence. They engage in cooperative foraging, wherein individuals take on specific roles and responsibilities to maximize efficiency. This cooperative behavior highlights their sophisticated ability to comprehend the overall objective while strategizing and communicating effectively within the group. Communication and vocalizations. Meerkats possess a complex vocal communication system that enables them to convey different meanings through variations in pitch, duration, and rhythm. Graduate research indicates that they possess an intricate understanding of this system, allowing for effective communication within the group. Meerkats employ specific calls to warn against predators, signal the availability of food, or coordinate group movements, displaying a remarkable comprehension of their surroundings. Learning and teaching. Meerkats demonstrate a capacity for both individual learning and teaching within their social groups. Graduate-level studies have shown that juveniles learn crucial survival skills from more experienced members, contributing to the overall knowledge and adaptability of the group. Meerkats exhibit an impressive ability to comprehend and transfer information, ensuring the transmission of vital knowledge across generations. Social learning and cultural transmission. In addition to individual learning, meerkats exhibit social learning and cultural transmission. They possess the ability to acquire knowledge from observing the actions and behaviors of their peers. Young meerkats observe and imitate adult behaviors, resulting in the transmission of cultural knowledge from one generation to the next. This capacity for cultural transmission enhances their collective intelligence and adaptability. Spatial awareness and navigation. The complex maze-like burrow systems created by meerkat colonies require an exceptional sense of spatial awareness and navigation. Graduate research suggests that meerkats possess an innate sense of direction, enabling them to navigate skillfully through their extensive networks of tunnels. Their exceptional spatial cognition and memory serve as a testament to their high level of intelligence. Understanding risk and decision-making. Meerkats exhibit a unique ability to understand and assess risks in their environment, facilitating efficient decision-making. Their sophisticated comprehension of the potential costs and benefits associated with various choices allows them to respond strategically to threats, forage effectively, and allocate resources optimally. Flexible behavior and adaptability. One hallmark of meerkat intelligence lies in their capacity for behavioral flexibility and immediate adaptation. They can quickly adjust their behaviors in response to changes in their environment or social dynamics. Their ability to adapt, recalibrate strategies, and maintain group cohesion showcases their high level of cognitive functioning. The complex nature of meerkats is underscored by their remarkable intelligence and comprehension. From problem-solving skills to communication, learning, and adaptive behaviors, meerkats consistently demonstrate a capacity for sophisticated cognition. The research conducted at the graduate school level suggests that meerkats possess a high level of intelligence that enables them to navigate their complex social structures and changing environments. Recognizing their cognitive abilities contributes to our understanding of animal intelligence and highlights the intricate workings of the natural world. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.